guys, welcome back to the Red House. And today I'm gonna show you how to pop popcorn in a movie theater popcorn popper. You're gonna need seeds. I already got seeds. Bam, number one. That should be enough. Butter. I keep on forgetting. Like 2 scoops like that, maybe? Need more. Gosh, you keep on spilling.
Salt waster, did you clean it up?
Would that be enough salt? Better be. But normally, if you want to make normal popcorn, you use oil. If you were to buy it, comes with a thing like that, and a thing like this, and a thing like that. This is a special one. Now look at that. Button off to the side. Hi, I forgot to plug it in. I'm wondering why it wasn't working. Okay, now press the button like that, and bam! The popcorn sign's light up. Let's go! It's horrible in Wisconsin. Machine you're gonna probably find and buy. This one's crap, cause it's an air-powered one. Like, what the heck? There's no holes. Besides just one in the back. I don't get it. You shouldn't buy. If you want to, let's buy a better one. Pop it on the stove. Look at that. Look how that smoke or steam, not smoke. When it fills up, you will know, cause it does something really cool. No, I'm not sponsoring them. Which, why would I sponsor them? Though, let's see. Did I not put enough seeds in? Push it down and bam, your thing dumps. Scoop it out like that. Come on, look at all those seeds. Gotta keep it popping. Gotta get these seeds to pop. Look at this. Look at this poor batch right there. I'm gonna try one.